Hello, everyone, and welcome to Friday. It's May 15th. This is what we're watching for you on this Friday, peering ahead into the upcoming weekend. Another round of showers and thunderstorms for not all of you, but many of you today and in it tonight. This will be especially true in the same areas that got wet yesterday. So be ready for another round of showers and thunderstorms, as today is basically a repeat of Thursday. Temperatures are set to warm up really fast Sunday through Wednesday of next week. Air coming out of the deserts will really warm us up. Runoff is going to continue to really kick into gear on the major river systems. We'll need to watch that. This is today's pattern. These are the upper level winds. The winds, you can see these, what we call wind barbs. The upper level winds are directing Pacific energy and moisture into the region. That little dip I just drew right here is a little area of low pressure coming out of Idaho. It'll be moving across Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska today. And it's coming in at just the right time to set off another batch of shower and thunderstorm activity in this area here. So that's the same area that got some rain and thunderstorm activity yesterday and last night. And that's the area that will get it again today. This is what the precipitation forecast looks like. We continue to have the best axis of moisture in northeast Colorado into South Dakota and Nebraska here. This is where the heavier rains are going to fall. But any areas that you see green or blue, there's going to be a fairly good chance of shower and thunderstorm activity. And you can see the arch of moisture really comes in like this, avoiding the Great Basin, avoiding Utah and the Four Corners area. As we take a look at Sunday's upper level winds, look at the difference. This is today's, this is Sunday's. Notice how the jet stream pattern gets more wavy. We have a big displacement with a big low off the west coast, and that's just going to pump very warm air in to the high plains and Rockies. Now, the Pacific Northwest gets cool and wet in parts of California, but the trajectory of air is from Baja, Mexico into here. So you're talking about some really warm air getting pushed in beginning Sunday and into Monday and Tuesday. And this is the result. These are forecasted high temperatures in the region for Monday. For Monday, Cheyenne 82, Wheatland 90. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s around Scottsbluff, 87 in Casper. Look at this, Worland and Powell and Grable, lower 90s, mid to upper 80s along the Wasatch Front of Utah. The Front Range of Colorado, 80s to near 90 degrees. So a big warm up coming, and these warm temperatures will continue into Tuesday and for the most part Wednesday. Now by Wednesday afternoon, notice that west coast low now is moving into the northern Rockies. So this brings in some cooler air, and we're going to see an increase in shower and thunderstorm activity as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. This will be especially true in Montana, the western Dakotas up into southern Canada. By the following weekend, which is Memorial Day weekend, we have a persistent trough wanting to hang around. What does this mean? Well, it means a little sneak peek into Memorial Day weekend means seasonal temperatures, not as warm as what we're going to have earlier in the week, and you can expect showers and thunderstorms. That's your typical Memorial Day weekend around here, but it's a little too early to talk about Memorial Day weekend, kind of getting ahead of ourselves. We'll, of course, talk a lot about Memorial Day weekend as we get into next Monday and next Tuesday's podcast. Have a good weekend ahead. Enjoy these warmer temperatures that are coming.